completely lie down on your back. Have a glance of your whole body from toes up to the forehead, and make sure that your both the legs, both the hands, your head, your back, all are in a very comfortable position. And during this practice you should not move your body. Take a couple of deep breathing. Deeply inhale and slowly exhale. We shall move for the practice of mind sound resonance technique. We shall start our session through prayer. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Place it on the chest. Om Trayambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanat Mrityormukshiyamamrutatah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently drop down your hand. The Mrityunjaya mantra is the prayer to get rid of the problems of fear of death. Regular chanting of Mrityunjaya mantra, you can get total control over your ultimate destiny. Now at first we shall start with Akara chanting. Deeply inhale, chant Akara and try to vibrate, feel the vibration in the lower portion. Deeply inhale. Wonderful vibration spreading below the navel region. Now we shall chant Ukara. Try to feel the vibration in the middle portion of the body. Deeply inhale. Wonderful vibration, especially on your chest, on your back. Try to recognize it. Now Makara. Smoothly inhale. Wonderful vibrating feelings into your head region, especially into the brain, forehead and facial muscle. Slow down. Second round, Akara. Smoothly inhale. Realize the beautiful vibration into the lower portion, your buttocks, your thigh, knee joints, calf muscle, ankle joint, heel, sole and toes. Settle down. Ukara, try to feel that vibration into the tip of the fingers and also hold back and in the front side of the body. Deeply inhale. Settle down, settle down. Makara, just try to feel the upper portion, just back of the neck, back of the head, your crown. Smoothly inhale. Wonderful vibration into the brain, into your facial muscle, settling down. Your whole body is getting beautifully charged with the beautiful vibration. Now third round, Akara. Deeply inhale. Sound is nothing but the vibration, and try to realization of the vibration is the main of this practice. Just try to feel the vibration into the lower portion. Now Ukara, try to feel this vibration into the middle portion. Smoothly inhale. Settle down all the vibration into the middle portion. Slow down, slow down. Now Makara, try to feel it in the head region, the vibration, beautiful wavelength. Deeply inhale. Now your whole body have got wonderfully charged by very soothing vibration from tip of the toes up to the forehead. Mind is moving towards the silent state. Now third step, we shall move for the practice of Omkara chanting. Omkara sound is combination of Akara, Ukara and Makara. Chant Akara, Ukara, Makara in a single breath. But always keep in your mind, you have to give the 1/3 of time for the Akara, 1/3 for Ukara and 1/3 for Makara. Now deeply inhale. The whole body vibration in a single breath. Settle down all the vibration. Second round, deeply inhale. Wonderful vibration, giving a total balance into your pranic level, balance into your wavelength, especially into the brain. Last round, deeply inhale. Feel the vibration not only inside the body and also in the outside, resonating your body vibration with this universal vibration. Now next step, we shall move for the practice of Ahata and Anahata chanting. Ahata chanting means you have to produce the chanting loudly, but in Anahata, same chanting, but you should not produce the sound. But in the both case, try to create the same vibration and effect into the very particular that part. At first, Akara, Ahata, deeply inhale. Now same Akara chanting without producing the sound, mentally deeply inhale. Now Ukara, Ahata, deeply inhale. vibration into the middle portion of the body. Settle down all the vibration, slow down. Now create the same vibration by anahata chanting without producing any sound. Deeply inhale. Same vibration, same effect. Now makara, ahata, smoothly inhale. Produce the same vibration in anahata chanting, especially try to feel it in your brain and also into the facial muscle. Deeply inhale. Now your whole body is fully recharged. Allow it to completely merge on the ground. You have nothing to do. Now second round. At first akara, ahata, deeply inhale. Try to create the same vibration by chanting anahata of akara. Deeply inhale. Same vibration, same feelings into the lower portion of the body. Now move towards your middle portion of the body, chanting of ukara. At first ahata, deeply inhale. Anahata, just try to produce the same vibration in the middle portion of the body. Deeply inhale. Wonderful vibration. Now makara, ahata, deeply inhale. Produce the same vibration by anahata chanting. Deeply inhale. Now start finding out the resonance. Resonance is our assimilation of our body vibration, and that vibration we are creating. When both becomes together, you should feel the resonance, and that is the deeper level of the relaxation. Third round, ahata, akara, deeply inhale. Same vibration produced through the anahata chanting. Deeply inhale. Ukara, ahata, deeply inhale. Anahata, and try to feel the same vibration and try to find out the resonance into the middle portion of the body. Smoothly inhale. Makara, ahata, try to feel it into the head region and try to find out the resonance. Smoothly inhale. Anahata chanting. Just once again, try to feel the resonance into the upper portion of the body. Resonance means the body vibration with the vibration whatever we are creating. Just try to assimilate both. Inhale. Now your whole body is fully recharged. All the cells are getting wonderful vibration. All the systems are very happy getting the resonance to move towards the deeper level of relaxation. Now Omkara chanting, ahata and anahata, and Omkara is akara, ukara, makara combination. First round, inhale deeply. Anahata, Deeply inhale, do it mentally. Second round, Ahata, smoothly inhale. Anahata. Take a deep breath. Feel the resonance into your whole body, starting from the toes up to the forehead, into your fingers, into your hip joint, in your all the chakras. Feel it everywhere in the spine. Last round. Deeply inhale. Anahata, feel the resonance everywhere in your body. You can just recognize it. Deeply inhale. Now, the wave pattern of our whole body is almost very smooth, rhythmic, slow. If there is any deformity exists, now we shall correct it through the chanting of Mrityunjay mantra. 2 rounds. Ahata. Lead and follow. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshiyamamrutataha. Now full chanting all together, and while chanting just try to feel the vibration. Just chant in that manner, you can feel the vibration into your inner parts of the body. Om Trayambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshiyamamrutataha. Settle down all the vibration. Now ahata and anahata. Just follow me. Lead and follow fast. Om Trayambakam Jajamahe. Chant it, ahata. Now anahata, chant it mentally. Feel the same vibration. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Anahata. Urvarukamiva bandhanat. Anahata. Mritturmukshiyamamrutataha. Ahata. And anahata. Now we shall chant the full line. Om Trayambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Chant it, ahata. Followed by anahata. Urvarukamiva bandhanat mritturmukshiyamamrutataha. Ahata. Now whatever the deformity exists of the vibration assimilation with the resonance, now it is coming down. You can feel more and more relaxed round. Together chant ahata together. Deeply inhale. Om Trayambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Now anahata. Urvarukamiva bandhanat mritturmukshiyamamrutataha. Anahata. Now the next step, ajapa, chanting of omkara. Just mentally chant, mentally, try not to produce the sound. Mentally just chant om, 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 and then gradually extend the gap in between two om, like om, om, om. And that gap between two omkara is the silent state. and ultimately just completely merge with the Omkara, and there should not be any chanting. Completely feel the silence. Let's start Ajapa chanting of Omkara. Do it of your own. You can reach the silent state of your own. In the deeper level of silence, now try to merge yourself with this Akasa Tattva, the space. As you know, this creation is having the 5 elements: Jal, Akas, Vayu, Agni and Prithvi. Sound is the manifestation of Akasa Tattva. Just try to merge your resonance with this space. Feel the expansion of space. Expand it further, further, and then cover yourself into the whole horizon. Feel the expansiveness. Slowly bring back yourself once again. And feel your existence on the earth, on your mat. and take some resolve in the deeper level of relaxation. Take some resolve, the sankalpa, whatever positivity you want to achieve. Just take it as oath and mentally chant it for 9 times. Now feel your body consciousness. Feel the touching sensation of your whole body on your mat. Bring your awareness into your breathing. Bring your awareness into your heartbeat. Feel the slow movement of your abdominal muscle. Give a very simple movement into your fingers and the toes. Move your head side to side slowly, right and left. Now stretch your whole body just for a fraction of a second and slowly join your legs together. Hands side of the body. Slide off your right hand above on your head. Fold your left leg from the knee and very gently take a right turn. Take your own time, slowly. Place your left palm in front of your chest and with the support of your left palm and right elbow, very gently come up. Sit in any very comfortable meditative posture. Don't open your eyes. Sit in any very comfortable meditative posture. We shall conclude our session through prayer. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms, not rigorously, just give a simple movement of your palms and produce the heat and give this warm sensation, a soft massage on your facial muscle. Once again, rub your palms, give this warm sensation into every parts of the body. Feel the beautiful touching sensation of prana and very gently open your eyes and look your palm. Thank you.